fast forward thinking, would you rewind and let us in? I'll be ready where the pieces fall tonight, if they fall again.
I've known Joe since back in middle school, actually. We met in 7th grade. We joined the Navy, actually, together. I was 2 months ahead of him to boot camp, and the last time before this wedding that I saw Joe was 4.5 years ago in boot camp. But we kept in touch. And in 2016, in between deployments, I remember him telling me, I met this girl, and she is probably the most amazing thing that I have ever have happened to me in my life. And I will always remember that, because right then and there, what I could hear in his voice, I knew it was true. I knew it was. And I had the pleasure of yesterday finally getting to see that. And I could truly see that she is meant for him, as God-given as possibly could be.
Pull me closer now, where you hold it all together, seamless and bound. Run into arms we found, where you hold it all together, hold it all together, safe and sound. Hold it all together, safe and sound.
I know we're all very happy here to be uniting our family with Joey's great family here in this room. We really couldn't have asked for a better match for her at all. And I know that she will be happy, loved for many years to come. And I know she found someone who matches her and balances her in every way.
Caught up with reason, till the ground beneath them. I'll be ready where the pieces fall from sight, when they fall again. It's an honor to wait here, floating in the wreckage where I'm wanted. When my restless places, you gathered all the wreckage and you made this. Pull me closer now, where you hold it all together, seamless and bound. Run into arms we found, where you hold it all together, hold it all together, safe and sound. Hold it all together, safe and.
The moment we met, I knew there was something special between us. I can still remember the very shy look you gave me and a very friendly hello. Through all the good and all the bad, you have been there for me and with me. You have blessed me with your infinite love, and I look forward to cherishing the years that we have to come. You are the light and the love of my life. I love you, Katherine.
Falling in love with you was so easy. I did it with my eyes wide open, and I believe that fate brought us together. But I think we're only fated to do things we choose anyway. And I choose you in 100 lifetimes, in 100 worlds, in any virtual reality. And I find you and I choose you all over again.
By the power vested in me, given to me by my baby sister to marry you guys, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Joe, you may respectfully kiss my sister.